Two men have now been convicted of breaking into Blenheim Palace, where Winston Churchill was born, and stealing the royal throne. 5 men were involved in this smash and grab, but hear me when I tell you that they were not the sharpest crayons in the box. First off, this $6 million, 18-karat gold royal throne was made by an Italian sculptor who named it America because he wanted to make a statement about America's excessive wealth and gluttony. They had actually just dedicated this royal throne the day before, and the public was allowed to see it. You could go in there, but you had to make an appointment first, and you were limited to a very strict 3 minutes to keep it at number one. One of these two brainiacs actually went in and did the reconnaissance. I mean, they had pictures and everything. Might have been Sir Ears-a-Lot. I'm not really sure which one it was, but they had pictures. They should have known what they were doing, but they busted in the window, they busted into the room, and they ripped this fully functioning royal throne off the wall, which caused water to go everywhere and flooding. That was their first mistake. Their second mistake was not accounting for the fact that their phone data would put them in this particular area. And also, what about the closed circuit TV? That's them. It was fully visible, literally fully visible on this camera. Here's this guy walking out with the royal seat, and then they just threw it in the boot of this teeny tiny little car. Teeny tiny little car. It weighed over 200 pounds. They threw it in that little car. What they didn't account for was the fact that they left a wrench inside the palace with their DNA on it. They also abandoned this vehicle, and it had their DNA in it too. And when they caught one of them, he had gold flecks all up in his clothes weeks later. Now, that could have been because they immediately broke up the royal throne and sold it off in pieces and parts. And sadly, it was never recovered.